Hello student, today we are going to study about life in northern mountains. The states and union territory which are located in northern mountains are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are two union territories. States Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura. These states are belonging in northern mountain. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura is also known as Seven Sisters, and it is also known as the North. These are the northeastern states of India, and it is also known as Seven Sisters. First is the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Capital of Ladakh, Leh. Language Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Ladakhi. Dress men and women wear firan, a long loose kurta with salwar. During winter, they use kangri to keep themselves warm. Favorite tea, kahwa and famous lake, Dal Lake and Uller Lake. Special crops saffron, main festival Shivratri and Eid. Houses on boats are called houseboats. Small boats are called shikaras. Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. Language Hindi. Official language and most popular language is Pahari. Dress women wear tight pajama and loose kurtas with scarves. Men wear tight pajama and loose shirt with colorful caps. Men wear embroidered caps called kullu caps and women wear scarves called dhazu. Main festival Dashera, Diwali, and Kullu Dashera is very famous festival. Tourist place Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Dalhousie. Crops maize, barley, rice, fruits, etc. It is famous for its apple orchard. Orchard means garden of fruits. Uttarakhand. Capital Dehradun. Language Hindi, Sanskrit, Garhwali, Kumaoni. Tourist place Haridwar, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. Hill ranges Garhwal and Kumaon. Kumbh Mela held at every 12 years in Haridwar. Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. It is known for its orchid. Orchid is a type of flower. Language Nepali, Mepcha, English. Dress. The women wear long skirt called baku. They also wear colorful jewelry made from beads. Beads, a small usually round piece of glass, wood, metals, etc. with a hole in middle for putting a string through to make jewelry. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain peak in the world is situated here. People in the state belong to three main tribes: Mepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Tribe is a group of people that have the same language and custom and that have a leader. West Bengal. Northern part of West Bengal. Capital Kolkata. Language Bengali. Darjeeling comes under northern part of West Bengal. It is famous for tea plantation. Dress men wear kurta dhoti or pajama. Women wear Bengali sari. See, this is the houseboat on the Dal Lake, and the shikara carry vegetable for sales. Small boats and women in Iran. This is the loose kurta. Women and men wear in Jammu and Kashmir. So student, if you have book, then read the chapter from your book. And Himachal Pradesh have a toy train which takes people from Kalka to Simla is a special attraction. Here the toy train taking people from Kalka to Simla. Student, if you have book, then read the chapter 3 from your book.